how to enable dark mode on your PC. Hey guys, in today's video I'm back with another PC trick for all of you guys. So in today's video I'm going to be telling you that how you can basically enable a black dark mode on your PC. So for that you simply need to go onto your Google Chrome, and after that you need to go onto your search bar and you need to type in this chrome.//flags, and the link is in the description. So once you're onto this link, you're gonna see this page in front of you. Now you just need to type in auto dark mode for web content. So as soon as you're gonna see this, you're gonna be needing this option right in front of me, which says auto dark mode for web contents. So what you need to make sure is you simply need to type in where this disabled is written, and you need to type onto this arrow and you need to make it enable. So I'm just gonna tap on enabled, and then once you have enabled it, you simply need to tap on relaunch. And yeah, so as you guys can see that I have relaunched it, and as soon as I've relaunched it, all of my PC websites will be converted into dark mode. And as you guys can see, if I switch onto any other website like this YouTube, it's converted into dark mode. Like every single website is converted into dark mode, whether I open Instagram, I open whatsoever website on my Google Chrome. So that is how you can enable dark mode on your PC. Let me know in the comment section below if this video helped you guys. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.